Let's create a unique and special DIY stove that works. Align a few bricks around a big plastic bowl. Fill out any space with more bricks. In a separate bowl, mix some cement. Use that mixture to fill out any small holes in between the bricks. Start creating a tier with the bricks on top. That is such good work. The stove is going to be not only functional, but also gorgeous and rustic. To ensure the safety and the durability of the stove, add metal rods and more bricks around the opening. Look at it coming together. If you thought you were done with the cement, fear not. What would a stove without a stovetop be? Some welding is required here to create a small chimney. You can paint it black for a more original look. Time to get the wood burning. Nothing's holding you back from creating your favorite meals now. This will be handy at the next cookout. Just in time for those backyard summer parties.